Somebody asked, what is my best advice for a femme dating? I would say na most AFAMs are into dating na trial and error. And I think if they can do that, you should also do the same. Kasi in their culture, when they're single, they don't just date one person. They try and mingle and search for the best person that they can get. And you should also do the same. In which to say, date a lot of AFAMs and choose the best one. Meaning, don't focus on just one kasi nafe-feel mo ito na nga yun. Kasi at the end of the day, if it will not pursue and it will not, be into a serious relationship, since trial and error nga sila, ikaw ang malulugi dun sa eksena kasi nag-focus ka dun sa AFAM na yun. Tapos siya pala, marami din siyang dinidate na iba. So, until that point na talagang kinukonsider nyo na yung sarili nyo as boyfriend and girlfriend, then that's when you stop dating other AFAMs. But for the meantime, when you're single, try to do the trial and error method. Meaning, you try and try until you get the best one that you like. Ganon din. And for the kantotar naman, you try also. Kasi diba, kung kantotar sila sa iba, kantotar ka din sa iba heart. Chale! Pero I mean to say, ang kantotar kasi is part of the relationship. So, tina-trial and error din nila kung compatible ba kayo doon sa ganong eksena. So, doon mo din masusubukan kung talagang sa ganong pamamaraan, gusto mo ba siya o hindi. So, kung ganon ang way of thinking nila at way of dating nila, you should also do the same. Yun lang mga Mars.